These Gorilla Grips are the Trax Edition here are one of my go-to gloves in the garage. I use these from everything from gardening and shoveling, wheelbarrow work just the other day, all the way up to oil changes and stuff like that. I'm sure there's many other uses, but I want to show this one off. They have been beat up pretty well, and they have held up. They haven't developed any holes or issues in the fingers. I believe these are a small. They fit rather tight on me. I have about 7-inch tip to wrist and 9-inch thumb to pinky spread, so use that to your advantage when you're ordering these. I like a snug fit. I don't want the fingertips to be loose, because when I'm working on vehicles, you're using nuts and bolts and stuff, and that's just not very helpful. These do go on and off rather easily, and if you want to be quick about it, you can just peel them like that. So these are some of my favorite gloves in the garage. I'm definitely going to order more pair than what I have right now.